Hi, this is Freddy Fighter 10806 with Neon Rain. Say hi. Hola. Hold on, my brother. Okay, ignore that. Now, Kaylin is very busy doing something of her own, so tell them what you're doing.
I'm currently shutting down my computer because it wants to be a butt.
Sadly, emoji sad face, emoji sad face, emoji sad face, emoji sad face. Did you see my favorite word yet? No, you didn't get a notification? I posted.
I wasn't able to because my computer decided to freeze me.
I just now posted hi, 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 hi. So, Kaylin, what do you want to do?
I want to sit down in my knee-high socks.
Okay.
And then we're going to talk.
Okay, we are talking now. Hey, what's my name? Just call me Freddy when we're on this, okay? It's way easier.
It's copyright. It's copyrighting.
No, I'm not. I wanted to do a cosplay video. I was trying to, but my mom wouldn't give me my costume, so I'm also going to be posting that tomorrow.
You guys dressed? Good.
I on phone. But okay. Okay. Hi. I can't hear you. Hold on a second.
You good?
Huh? Huh? I'm sorry, I was just trying to annoy you. So, this is Neon Rain and Freddy Fighter 10806. Subscribe for more of these weird videos. But this video is not ended yet. Okay, Kaylin, I need to ask you another question. Okay, prepare to let that be on YouTube.